Today I want to share with you one matter: how we can improve our speaking skill, how we can think in English every single day. For example, tomorrow I will go market to buy some product for my family. Tomorrow I will go my school. Tomorrow I will eat apple. Tomorrow I will make two English video to improve my speaking skill. Today I will go Ulipur market to buy some product for me, for my family. Like this way you can think in English every single day. Like this way you can improve yourself day by day. Side by side, if you want, when you will stay in your house, when you will eat rice, you try to think all think in English. Side by side, when you will stay in your house or when you will stay in your field, what all work you will work in your field. Like this way you can think in English every single day. I hope that when you will think in English, you can good speaker in your village. You can improve your speaking skill day by day. You know that there is no easy way to learn English without thinking English. For that, if you are beginner, you have to think in English every single day. Best luck for everyone.